Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. In today's vlog, I am finally taking down all of the Christmas decor. As you can see, today is January 14th, my brother's birthday. Happy birthday, Apollos. Yeah, so today I'm taking down all my Christmas decor and I'm gonna decorate the house for the new year, which I'm 14 days late, but whatever. And I'm also gonna be adding in some touches of Valentine's Day, since that's in a month from today. Exactly a month. So I'm gonna have a little bit of pops of red and love stuff in the living room. But yes, we need to take down all of the Christmas things. These gifts are from our wedding. We still did not open them. It's about 3 weeks after the wedding and we still didn't open them, but we plan on opening them tomorrow after church. Last Sunday we tried to do the same thing, but we got super busy. So yes, we're about to take all of this Christmas stuff down. This is going to be a task because I'm doing this by myself, so wish me luck. Oh well, let's just get this done. Alright y'all, so we are done taking down all the Christmas things. Now I'm about to head out the door to go find or to go pick up my vacuum that I am buying, carpet cleaner, to get those stains out of the rug, which you guys will see in a second. And I'm also going to be redoing a little bit of my bathroom right now. This is my drawer with all my hair products. This is like where I do all my hair stuff. It's a hot mess, okay? I don't understand how I let it get this bad, but we're gonna be gutting all this out and organizing all of my scarves, my hair stuff, my hair tools, all of that. So I'm heading to Bed Bath & Beyond to go get the vacuum, and I'm also gonna look over there to see if I can find or to get something to organize all of those things. And I also am gonna be looking at some bar stuff because I want to redo the bar, but I think what I want to use is going to be probably found on Amazon, but I am going to check it out anyways. So yeah, it's super cold outside. My jacket's in the car that I want to wear. I'm not wearing nothing fancy, but yes, all of the Christmas stuff is gone. So right now it's just plain. I have all the new decor stuff in here, but I want to get the vacuum cleaner first because I need to clean up this carpet that was ruined on the day of the wedding from the makeup artist's chair. So yeah, I need to get those stains out. So let's ride. We made it. Let's go. A-R-I-E-L? Yes. It was no, it was over the phone like maybe an hour ago.
Oh, it was over the phone?
Yeah. The little Green Pro vacuum cleaner. The Bissell pet cleaner. Thank you. Ah, yes. Does it come with like the cleaner solution in there or no?
Includes 8-ounce pet and spot stain.
Okay, so it does.
Yeah, it comes with some. It comes with
perfect.
some solution, but it's only 8 ounces.
Okay, that's fine. I'll find another one back there then.
I don't even know if we have the solution in our store.
Okay. Thank you so much. I'm gonna do some more shopping though.
You wanna just leave it up here and then go shopping?
Yeah. Let me come right back. Or you could put it in the
I can put it in the cart if you want.
yeah, let me put it in the cart because I'm gonna shop. I'm not gonna be there out shopping tomorrow. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Ooh. Red bath towels, 70% off. These were $15. These are $4 now. Ooh.
Where's the mops? Oh, you work here?
No.
Oh.
So there's a couple Christmas stuff on sale. I'm so excited, y'all. I got the vacuum. Alright, so I don't have like much footage space on the camera, so I'm gonna shop and then I'll see y'all in the next clip when I actually am done. So let me shop real quick. I'll be right back. Unboxing. Alrighty, you guys, so here is the stains on my rug. These are makeup stains from when I got my makeup done on my wedding day. I believe the makeup artist's chair, the bottom of the chair, had makeup on it. So we're going to try to clean this off. It's been approximately 3 weeks since this has been here. You know, we just got back from our honeymoon and everything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and try to tackle it with the little Pro Green Bissell carpet cleaner. So I already filled it as you saw. Now let's go ahead and test this out. Fingers crossed. All right, so let's go ahead and turn it on. Alright, you guys, so here is the first round after 30 to 40 minutes of hands and knees. I'm tired, y'all. But as you can see, there's still a few spots. Yes, it is a little bit brighter overall. However, there are some major stains. And I think I need to get a spray stain remover to have it sit on those areas. And then we'll try this again. But this is what it looks like so far from the first use. So stay tuned for an update in part 2. But I tried it on one spot and it pretty much got it up. If you can see how light that this spot got, it's because I used this on top of the green monster. So I'm just gonna spray some more and leave that on for a little bit. Yes, this is an extra step, but I don't mind as long as it gets done. So we're just gonna spot it with some Dawn because this really takes out grease and stuff, and makeup is, you know, oil based. So we're gonna check back in a second, but I'm just gonna let this sit and then try to treat those areas yet again. So just kind of spraying this all over. I really love this with my dishes, so I figure, you know what, let's see if we can get it on and popping. So I'm just gonna let those spots cook up a little bit, and then we're gonna come back and check it. But it is getting clean. It's just very, very tedious. Don't do this if you're in a rush because it's gonna take a lot of time, okay?